Hello, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. Here is a video of my Clausing 15 by 45 metal lathe, part number A0315. It has Accurite 2-axis digital readout on it. I've got a 3-jaw chuck. It has a taper attachment. I do not have a 4-jaw with it or a steady rest, but the machine's in very nice condition. I have not tested the coolant system. So I'm going to go ahead and run it for you. This is emergency shut off. This is the main power switch. That starts the motor. It does have a 2-speed motor, so you have a high and a low range. And to start it, the spindle, just push this lever down. And I'll go ahead and make a cut with her. It's about 125 thousandths cut. It does have power cross feed as well. And then this has an electronic brake on it. All right, hope that helps.